I'm supposed to share how I got involved. So, okay. Before this, I really don't know much about what's happening in the country. Yeah. So I was just a very naive and ignorant girl. I don't know much, but because of the immersion of the alternative media like Malaysia Kini and also blogs like the People's Parliament and Malaysia Today, I got to know more about what's really happening in Malaysia. So I started to be more aware of what happened, but I really don't know what can I do to change what's happening in our country. Because I've been reading so much on the People's Parliament and Malaysia Today, I started to believe that actually there's really hope. We can really do something as long as we believe and step forward to be the change we want to be. So in November 2007, for the birthday rally, I decided to. I was very scared at that time because I don't know whether I will be arrested or not. I don't know whether I should go or not. But at the end, I decided that okay, if I really want to, I should really walk my talk, and I should really just go and be part of them and make a difference in Malaysia. Because I know that if I don't go, I will regret for the rest of my life. So that morning, I decided to go, and then after that, after that, but I was very scared, really afraid. I went without my yellow shirt, but halfway through, I decided to wear my shirt and just join the rest of them. So then after that, in September 2008, RPK got detained under ISA. I was really angry. This time I was not afraid anymore. I was angry. I feel that I should go and to protest in front of Bukit Aman. Then after that, they have a lot of other candlelight regions which I participated, and there I get to know a lot of wonderful people, like all the people here in SABM. Then after that, in January 2009, we have a by-election in Kuala Terengganu, Paris. Can I join you guys there? Because I feel that I really want to do something. I shouldn't just talk about it. I should. I don't know what I can contribute. I really don't know what I can do. I told him, but I just want to go and maybe I can learn from you all. And then he said, if you really want, you can come and join, but I really don't know what I can do. So he said, okay, and I went. And it was really an amazing time for me because there I get to work together with people that I really respect a lot, like Paris and also RPK, and I got to know Penny and the rest of the people closer, and it was really just after that my life was never the same again. After that, I don't know why all this while. It's like maybe because I've been reading too much about Saya Anak Bangsa Malaysia in the blogs and all. So it sort of like has been embedded into me that I'm Anak Bangsa Malaysia. We are all Anak Bangsa Malaysia. We must really do something to. We must really do something to make it happen because we have been divided for far too long. We must step up. So after that, I decided to join them. For me right now, I feel that my priority is I would like to contribute the little that I can to this movement because I believe so strongly in it. I think before joining this, I was also a bit racist lah, you know, like, oh, this one is a Malay, this is Indian, this is Chinese. But having to work in SABM, we are all multi-racial, and I don't see them as Indian or Malay anymore. I just see them as my fellow friends who, you know, we really work together for a better Malaysia. To get to know these people, and you just feel so motivated and inspired. Then I just want to let you guys know that you are not alone, because there are a lot of people out there who also cares for the country, and I believe that we all have, I believe that we can play a part in our own way. You don't really, in your own little way, you can just make a difference. So